Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to calculate number for past subject only in Microsoft Excel using SUMIF. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Microsoft Excel. So this is our subject and this is our number. So we are going to calculate those number which subject is past. Now you see total number. So we are going to calculate it total number. Now click on it, then write a equal, then write a sum if. Now start bracket and then you see range, criteria sum range. But we are going to calculate those number which subject past. Now select range. So this is our range. Now select C5. Now drag and drop like this. C5 colon C8. Now add comma. Now start inverted comma. Now you see number 40, 60, 70, 30. So we are going to calculate only subject past number. So we are going to set criteria. Now add symbol greater or less according to requirement. Now greater. And then we are going to set number passing marks like 41. If subject has greater than 41 number, then that subject is passed and number will be calculated. Now close inverted comma, close bracket. Now you see colon. And then you see condition greater than 41. So we have two number that exceed 41, 60, 70. Now press enter. And then you see total number 130. 60 plus 70 is equal to 130. Don't include first subject number 40, 30. So you can set criteria according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.